Welcome to onSodi.com.
This is the Adobe Camera Raw introduction course video, and we will show you the most important aspects of Adobe Camera Raw in the following videos. Remember that Adobe Camera Raw is also referred to as simply ACR. We start off with an introduction to the Raw workspace, and we show you around the various options. The next video explains image navigation in ACR, and the shortcuts and techniques that we show you will also apply to the Photoshop workspace. It's really important to practice image navigation because in the long run it will save you a lot of time. Setting Camera Raw preferences is the next video, and there are some important settings that should be applied. Write these down for your own reference if need be. We also need to set our output settings because we want to make sure that our files are in their best possible way before sending into Photoshop. It would be very annoying to find out after doing lots of work in Camera Raw and Photoshop that you're not working on the correct file size or the right type. It happens to everyone. So watch the preferences and output setting videos to make sure you've got everything right. The final video is about saving raw files, which is somewhat different to the way that we would normally save a file on a computer. Most of the saving of raw files does not actually require you to click on a Save button as such. Becoming familiar with Adobe Camera Raw, knowing where the functions and the tools are, efficient image navigation, and the correct preferences and output settings will ensure better photographic results and minimize frustration for you. If you haven't used this software before, practice is really important because in today's photographic environment, raw processing is where we do most of the early important work on our photos.